We're at the KitPlus Show in Media City. I'm on the Pro AV stand with Sascha from MRMC. Hi Sascha, how you doing?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
Great. So, for people that haven't come across your company before, what do you do and what are you showing here?
So I work for a company called Mark Roberts Motion Control, and we provide camera motion. So basically, we sell motion for cameras.
Okay.
And that's everything from the small slider to just add a little bit of manual motion on an OB production to add some parallax, or have a pan tilt head on there and just be able to reposition, straight through to big studio robotics that have 9-axis robots that you can do full, big scale studio productions with.
Cool. So this is all about remote production, isn't it, really? And getting things, being able to do the robotics remotely.
Yes. So robotics can be done remotely. It's all IP controlled, but it's also for accuracy and consistency and repeatability.
Okay.
And because it's done using mechanical, we output the tracking data. So it's really good for virtual productions, for augmented reality applications.
Okay.
We have a large screen studio. That's where that, at the top end, that's where that's really useful. And that consistency, the same shot repeats every single time the same way.
Cool. So we can see a camera just behind you sliding, and we can see a PTZ. So what are the products that are doing this?
Yeah. So we have the Titan slider here, which is an entry-level product that has about 1.2 meters of travel.
Okay.
And that's designed for photography, product shots, and so on. So you can pre-program that with a move and run through it frame by frame, or have it go around and do those product shots that you see on websites. And you can do it for advertisements, etc. And then progressing from that, we get to our QRS system, which is available both as a manual version as well as a motorized version. That can be up to 26 meters long.
Wow.
You can put it on a tripod, you can put it on the floor, you can hang it. So the same system is really versatile. And it's all done by hand, so it's a completely toolless operation. And that allows you to basically reposition your camera in front of a stage on a concert, a drummer, and it's all remote controlled. Or in a studio, you have your presenter shot, and then it just tracks and adds the lovely parallax effect that just adds so much production value for very little effort.
Yeah. And what's the payload of these type of devices?
So that really depends on the size of the motor that's on there. We do offer about 15 to 20 kilos on these.
Oh, wow.
So you can put a PTZ on there. You can put a proper camera on there,
Yeah, fantastic. All available now?
All available now.
So where can people find more information?
On our website, so that's mrmoco.com.
Fantastic. Now, Sascha, you were on the stage earlier on, talking to the audience here at Media City. What were you talking to them about?
So I gave a little speech about remote operation, both from remote as in from the control room to the studio, as well as from, for example, London to Beijing. So all of that's possible with our robotics using IP control. And also in terms of a little bit about automation, how those repeatable moves really are really good for virtual studios, how the rundown automation with moves works in new studios, and how smaller production companies can use this just to up the level of content that they can create very easily.
Fantastic. And how has the show been for you so far today?
Oh, really, really impressed actually. More people than we were expecting.
Oh, it's a bonus.
So, yeah, so it's really good. Already got a couple of really good leads out of it.
Okay.
So really happy with that.
Fantastic.
And yeah, we're really happy to see how the rest of the afternoon goes.
Fantastic. Thank you for mentioning, Sascha. Do check out Sascha's seminar session. We'll put a link in the description of this video where you can find out about robotics and everything else he was talking to the audience about there. Do check out the website, of course, to find out more about their camera solutions. And for everything else we're doing at KitPlus Show, check out kitplus.com.